Millet Carrot Pumpkin Pancakes, a healthy breakfast or snack option. Sorghum is rich in vitamins and minerals like B vitamins, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, and zinc. It's an excellent source of fiber, antioxidants, and protein. It helps with controlling blood sugar as well. Carrot and pumpkin, being seasonal vegetables, contribute to a good portion of micronutrients. Additionally, they are high in fiber and they are high in vitamins A, K, beta carotene, and calcium. The ingredients you will need for this are a 4th cup sorghum flour and a 4th cup wheat flour. You can substitute the wheat flour with oat flour to get gluten-free pancakes. A 4th cup mashed steamed pumpkin, 1 ripe banana, 2/3 cup milk and 1/3 cup water, 1/4 cup of grated carrot, 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder, 1 tablespoon water, 1 tablespoon chana sattu powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. To start off, in a large mixing bowl, add a banana and mash it up very well. Once this is done, add the pumpkin and carrot. Mix this well until it is fully combined. Set this mixture aside. In another bowl, add the flaxseed powder and water and whisk this well until it is fully combined. Set this aside for 3 minutes. In a smaller mixing bowl, add all of the dry ingredients, including the flour, baking soda, and chana sattu. Stir this well until it is combined. To the wet ingredients, add the vanilla extract, the flax eggs, as well as the milk. Stir this well until it is fully combined into a thin paste. Stir in the dry ingredients slowly and mix well until a smooth batter has formed. Add the water and stir it further to make a thick, smooth pancake batter. With adult supervision, turn on the gas stove and keep a non-stick pan to heat up. On this pan, pour the pancake batter into 4 to 5 inch large pancakes. Make sure to cover the pan so that the pancakes can cook well. Once cooked, take the lid off and carefully flip the pancake. Let it cook on either side for 2 to 3 minutes. Once they are fully cooked, turn off the stove and stack them on a serving plate. There you go, your pancakes are ready.